Imagine a Nigeria where every Nigerian language, every culture, way of life, history, and every voice is represented not just in words, but in the very electronic tools we use to communicate. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a groundbreaking innovation by LANCOR Technologies, a keyboard designed specifically for Nigeria, a keyboard that embodies unity, diversity, and progress. A first-of-its-kind Nigerian keyboard for computer desktops, servers, laptops, and smart devices like cell phones and tablets. This is not just a keyboard. It's a symbol of national pride, technological advancement. Just like every developed country in the world, having her own country-specific keyboard layout design, Nigeria has not joined the exclusive group. The Shift² Keyboard is a marvel of engineering and cultural inclusivity. It features 42 Nigerian alphabets, including 16 diacritic characters and 14 tonal marks, covering every single living language spoken in Nigeria from Hausa to Yoruba, Igbo to Edo, and even English, French, and Spanish. But that's not all. It also includes the Nigerian naira symbol, the pound sterling, and the US dollar symbol, making it a truly global tool for commerce and communication. What makes this keyboard revolutionary is its ability to seamlessly integrate languages that have historically been left out of digital spaces. Because of the limitation of Old English keyboard with English with only 26 alphabets, for example, the Nigerian language has characters like E's with subdot, O with a subdot, open O, K with a hook, B with a hook, I with a subdot, upside down V and E backwards, that aren't on a standard English keyboard. With the Shift² Keyboard, these characters are just a keystroke away. No more struggling to type in your native language. No more barriers to expressing your culture and identity. This keyboard isn't just about convenience, it's about empowerment. It's about putting Nigeria on the map as a developed nation. Think about it. Every developed country has its own specific keyboard, tailored to its languages and needs. Now, Nigeria joins that elite group. With this keyboard, we can communicate, educate, and innovate in our own languages, preserving our heritage while driving progress. Let me ask you a simple question. What are you without a language, culture, or history? You don't exist. With a Nigerian keyboard, we will continue to preserve, unite, innovate, and communicate effectively. But the impact goes even further. In the age of AI and large language models, this keyboard opens up new possibilities. Imagine being able to input text in Yoruba, Hausa, or Igbo directly into AI systems, enabling these models to learn and innovate with Nigerian languages. This isn't just a keyboard, it's a bridge to the future. I want this notion right here to be your takeaway from this video. Imagine a Nigeria where every Nigerian can instantly understand each other in our native languages, with an instant electronic Nigerian language translation to any language you want. For example, Igbo to Hausa and Hausa back to Igbo. Imagine a Nigerian senator articulating very beautiful and passionate constituency plea in her native language, while other senators have that instant translation to their language of choice. You have seen this on TV at the United Nations and on Star Trek. Now, it's happening already. The design has already been registered at the Nigerian Patent Office, and it's available for desktops, laptops, and smart devices. One keyboard, one nation uniting us all, under the banner of technology and culture. Let's make history together. Let's show the world that Nigeria is not just a consumer of technology, but a creator, an innovator, and a leader. With the Shift² Keyboard, we're not just typing, we're telling our story, one keystroke at a time. Thank you.